Schadenfreude?
Have you ever come across a name or a word and wondered, how exactly do I pronounce this? We are going to show you how you can pronounce them and many more with the help of native speakers around the world. Off to the pronunciation studio.
Welcome to Pronounce with me. We're looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say other interesting words in English. How do you go about pronouncing this one? Genre. Once again. Genre. Let's repeat. Genre. Pretty straightforward once you know.
What other words or names would you like to see us pronounce next? Let us know in the comments below and be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.
What's that?
Wait, no, that's Louis Vuitton, yes. What? That's maths. That's not a, is that a word?